This is one of the best spots in Orange County. I've been here many times, and they just started serving an incredible breakfast Fridays, Saturdays, and Sunday. I'm back here at City Grille, right off the Orange Circle. And one of the more unique items is the Jenga French Toast with whipped cream, powdered sugar, and cinnamon, then drizzled with dulce de leche. Also, the short Rib Benedict, fully loaded burrito, and potato skillet are outstanding. And do not skip out on the overnight steel-cut oats and Greek yogurt parfait with Greek honey. But I kept that Huevos Rancheros all to myself.